I'm Felipe Bravo from University of Valladolid at UFO, and our role is to be part in the South Living Lab and also to generate point clouds in different forests in Spain for the project and collaborating in the evolution of artificial intelligence algorithms to use such data. The main ambition of the project is to move forestry to the single tree level, taking into account the wood quality, but at the same time, biodiversity values, risk, and health status. In this way, forester and the industry can take sound decisions that contribute to the sustainability of the system. Our living lab, south in Spain, will be a Mediterranean forest with a diverse set of species where we will study 4 species: Pinus pinaster, Pinus sylvestris, Pinus nigras, and Quercus pyrenaica, allowing us to take point clouds from totally different conditions than in the Central and North Europe.